Hey everyone, welcome to Breakfast Around the World. Today we're diving into the vibrant and flavorful cuisine of Angola. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with 3 delicious breakfast traditions. Let's explore. Our first dish is funge, the cornerstone of Angolan cuisine. It's a thick, starchy porridge made from cassava flour. It's often served with a variety of sauces, such as calamari, beef, or fish. Funge is a staple food and a symbol of Angolan culture. For a classic Angolan breakfast, you can't go wrong with Café com Leite et pain. This is a simple yet satisfying combination of coffee with milk and bread. It's a comforting and familiar breakfast enjoyed by many Angolans. Our final dish is Cachupa Refogada, a hearty stew made with beans, meat, vegetables, and often rice or fungi. It's a flavorful and filling breakfast that's perfect for a cold morning. Cachupa is a national dish of Angola and is enjoyed by people of all ages. And there you have it, 3 delicious Angolan breakfast traditions. From the starchy funge to the comforting café com leite et pain and the hearty cachupa refogada, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Have you tried any of these dishes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more breakfast adventures from around the world.